Hello, 10 days ago I bought my first wireless microphone DJI Mic 2 and it's time to review this thing. I use it every single day.
Welcome everyone and professional review on DJI Mic 2. Right now I'm talking to this mic. If you found this video somehow, I'm not like reviewing channel. This is not gonna be a good review. I film every day. To be honest, this mic changed my life. I can do this right now, use my hands. Before I was using Apple Watch talking like that. You can check out like the past 10 videos what I was doing. Beautiful Poland. I'm with my dog Bruno. Let's explore this country.
Bruno, cicho. Welcome Poland.
But first we need to talk. I know you are watching those reviews. Dude, stop. Buy this mic, it's okay. Sound quality. Rode Wireless Pro is better, of course. Just buy this mic and start creating some. Stand in front of the camera, say something to camera. It's fun. Whatever mic you want, say something to it and film. There is a reason why you want... What the heck, Bruno?
Average daily vlogger, you wanna be YouTuber. That's my perspective when I'm gonna talk about this mic.
I have just version with one receiver, one transmitter. Case is too big and you cannot even fit the wind mount to the case. I don't use receiver, but let's talk about it in a different spot. Let me show you how I film. One example, the sound from GoPro. I'm starting just with clicking this button, bam. There's option in receiver when you can just by pressing this button immediately starts recording. Red light. Let me go in front of the camera. Mic is on. I'm attaching this mic to my, for example, chest, clapping to synchronize the footage later. Let's do this right now. Let's go to my professional office for a moment.
Sorry, that's how I look like when I'm editing. So we have 3 files. For example, this clip that I talked right now, that's the DJI mic sound. So I attached all of the files, auto sync audio based on waveform. Sometimes it doesn't really work, I don't know why. So let's remove the files I have, and I'm just looking for those claps. Like here I clapped and I'm just looking to align them, and the clips are aligned just by those claps. I usually do a couple of them to really be sure. And now just link clips. I can remove the GoPro sound and now I have sound from my wireless mic. I know it takes a little bit of time, but I don't know, I have nothing better to do. That was my quick presentation how I synchronize the footage.
Synchronizing is pretty easy. I mean, my vlogs are pretty short, so and that's it. Now I can say something smart. Let me show you why I have problem with the receiver, why I just only use this mic alone. Nice tree. Let's test the mic here. We're gonna be a little bit like that, but when I get so windy, this tripod is not stable. We get this nice pouch with this version without a case. I think it's even better, it's so small. Transmitter, why I don't use it? That's the problem. This is so fragile, lightning port. First day when I had this mic, I broke it. That's a great test for our wind muffs. If you want to use, why not? It's okay, just it is not for me. So I'm just gonna use transmitter alone. What I want to say, I messaged DJI, they sent me those new lightning port connectors. DJI has amazing support. It's just not for me. I'm gonna spend more time editing, but I have a little bit better sound quality and no like stress that I'm gonna destroy the transmitter, so.
Bruno, be nice. That's your friend. Bruno.
I'm here in the window.
Now the most important thing, which is 32-bit flow. Before this mic I didn't know even what it is. I think that's the most important feature of this mic. Basically means when I can shout something and I can still recover the footage. Oh sole mio tate. Let's go again to my professional office and check out how 32-bit flow actually works. I'm back to my professional setup. Today let's random moments from my day because I want to go clubbing. See, there's this me shouting oh sole mio. Huge waves. Put it sound a little bit lower and it still has like a good quality. When people like talk loud to a microphone, there's like distortion. 32-bit flow allows you to have like more flexibility. Quality is not gonna be distorted, like a game changer. Okay, let's go back.
Shall we go down? Flipping heck, be careful dude. 32-bit flow only works in the transmitter. Sometimes I like to shout, sometimes I'm quiet, so it's nice.
Okay, that was my short kinda review. I don't know what it is. This video is a mess. Usually how I use it, usually I just use this clamp. The most efficient way. This magnetic thing I'm not a fan of. It's like too strong and sometimes I can attach it and drop it and lose it.
It's truly changed how I film my videos right now. Of course I need to clap. The freedom that I can use my hands, I can just walk away from the camera, put my tripod. It's not sponsored, so I cannot really be that nice to this mic. Things that I don't like about this mic, there's not that many of them. One,
there's this noise cancelling thing. Let me turn it.
It switched from this green to this like yellowish green.
Okay, and now I'm talking to like this mic with noise cancelling. I don't like this sound. It's like mushy. I don't even know how to explain that. And accidentally you can turn it. Okay, I'm turning it off. Now it's the normal sound. That's the one thing that I'm not like a huge fan of DJI mic. So lightning connector is so fragile, so that's why I don't use it. That's the second biggest thing that I don't like about this mic. Other than that, amazing mic. You're gonna see it probably every single day on my channel.
Bruno, what? Okay, you're gonna go. Place where I live, Poland. Not bad. Sound from DJI mic. Stay, tripod, stay. No! Be nice, Bruno. We're a cute dog. You are so mean to other dogs. That was my short review of DJI mic after 10 days. It's gonna stay with me for a long time. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Yo. My God. What the heck? Everything for YouTube. Bruno, 1 second. Welcome everyone today. Whether it's, oh my God, I'm starting my vlog with talking about the weather.